Hi, it's Sasha here from HomeDesignsAI. Welcome to our tutorial on the material swap tool. This powerful feature lets you change the materials of items in a room with ease, whether it's furniture, decor elements, or flooring. Our AI tool allows you to visualize different materials and finishes. Let's dive right in and see how it works. First, let's take a look at what this tool can actually do. So number one, material customization. As I mentioned before, you can reimagine any items in your space in different materials and textures. Number two, custom options. You can upload an image of any material or textures and our AI will bring it to life. And finally, realistic visualization. Our AI will provide you with realistic previews of what different elements in your space will look like in various textures and materials. Let's get started. So first, you want to upload a clear, high quality image of the space of the item that you want to change the material of. Next, our AI will analyze and automatically identify the different items in the image. So here in the kitchen, it's identified everything from the chairs, flooring, cabinets to the kitchen island. Now you can select which item you want to change the material of. So I'm going to use the automatic selection and it's already highlighted the kitchen island for me. But to make it more accurate and precise, I'm going ahead with the manual paintbrush. So here I'm just making sure the kitchen island's nicely selected. Now I want to change the material of the kitchen island, so all I have to do is upload an image of the material that I want. This is great if you have an exact image in mind because all you have to do is upload it and our AI will bring it to life. Now select how many variations you want. I want 5, the more the better. Now click generate new designs and just like that, our tool has applied the material to your items in your own space. I mean, just look at the before and after, it's so realistic. Here are a few tips to getting the best results with our material swap tool. Number one, make sure you use a high quality image of the space. Number two, experiment with different materials and textures. Number three, use the automatic selection first, then go in and refine it further with the manual paintbrush. And finally, use the HD button to enhance these generations. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, our support team is here to help. You can also use our AI chatbot right here. It has everything you need for getting started with HomeDesignsAI. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials on the different modules available on HomeDesignsAI.